there, my friends, this is Alina. Today we will create new card using our die-cut paper dolls. Here you can see I cut one with my die-cutting machine. For my card base I use a piece of paper size 12 by 6, score in the middle. I use this size of paper because my doll is pretty big, so to have enough space for her I need bigger card base. Next step will be assemble my paper doll. Now I make a cheek blush with distress crayon for her and I finish to assemble her. Now I can put her using my glue on a card base. Now I will prepare inside part of my card. For this I use a piece of coordinating pattern paper size 6 by 6 and sentiment card. I tone the edges of both pieces of paper and I use corner punch to decorate them a little bit extra. I have this Celestial Team Fiskars corner punch and I use star design in my background paper and a moon design on my small sentiment piece. And I find that it's a little bit lost on my background, so I make a lighter matte for this card. Now I put everything together. And we fix it inside our card. Now I decide to embellish my background with glittery gold stars and clouds that I made. And also I will put a sentiment in front of my card. I use T-shaped ruler to position it my sentiment so it will be straight. Now I prepare envelope for my card. I use Fiskars envelope making tool. I figure out size of paper using this instruction chart. Then I use same corner punch for a flop and toned edges of my envelope with distressed ink. Now I glue everything down. My envelope is ready. Then I use a tag punch again from Fiskars to make a address card for the front side of my envelope. And I put small amber colored dots on my tag. Now everything is ready. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and leave me some comments. I will see you soon. Bye!